Dynamic sequencing is the method InSync uses to determine how to serve each intersection. Inside the InSync software, the traffic professional can choose allowable sequences. For example, if the traffic professional chooses not to have lagging lefts, all lagging lefts would be removed, leaving behind only the allowable sequences. InSync draws from the available sequences dynamically, serving both sides of the barrier without violating the traffic professional's safety considerations. This provides the best possible use of green time for vehicles waiting at or approaching the intersection. As soon as the green tunnel is through, InSync turns its attention to the local optimizer and serves the sequence with the highest demand. In this example, it's the middle sequence here. You can see that InSync is serving the north and southbound lefts. Notice that each allowable north-south sequence begins with the north-south lefts. InSync uses real-time information, evaluating demand before committing to a particular sequence. For example, if this state here were to somehow grow in demand, InSync would then serve that state next because it does not violate the sequencing parameter. Also note, while InSync is serving the north-south lefts, the cars in the southbound through will be making right-hand turns, thereby eliminating the demand for service. As the southbound left clears, InSync moves to the next state in the sequence and serves the northbound through, while at the same time continuing the northbound left. As the northbound through and left finish, InSync instantly evaluates and skips the north and southbound throughs because there is no longer a need for service, and simultaneously chooses the best sequence in the east-westbound direction. When choosing a sequence, InSync evaluates demand as well as the arrival of the green tunnel. InSync sees that a vehicle is waiting in the westbound through and will try to release the through movement with enough time for it to pick up speed so as to not slow down the cars in the approaching green tunnel. The westbound tunnel has been served, but the eastbound tunnel is still coming. InSync knows that it has enough time to reserve a state within that period before the arrival of the eastbound tunnel. InSync chooses to reserve the north-south lefts and the extra time based on demand. InSync crosses the barrier, serves the demand, and arrives back to serve the eastbound green tunnel.